In an instant, the ICU can transform from a quiet place to a frantic hive of activity, as doctors and nurses are confronted with a life or death situation. In this moment, it is essential that healthcare professionals, patients, and equipment all interact with one another precisely, efficiently, and without obstacle. Unfortunately, current ICU designs can interfere with these actions. In a standard intensive care unit nowadays, there exists multiple devices and sensitive connections between the patient and these devices. This complexity has silently engulfed the operational space around the patient. Research was carried out within the ICUs of 2 local hospitals. This involved direct observation and unstructured interviews with users. Through our research, we found there are several areas in need of improvement. The wires and tubes that surround the patient are a major issue. They present trip hazards to staff and restrict access to the patient. Also contributing to this problem is the position of utility outlets and the distance between them and the equipment they support. There is also a lack of integration. Different pieces of equipment monitor the patient individually and then display this information on separate screens. This makes the ICU bed space an extremely cluttered and potentially hazardous environment. In our solutions, we have tried to integrate intensive care equipment into a central hub. All monitoring equipment now feeds information to the hub, which displays this information on the large OLED screens, highlighting any key changes in patient condition. The hub detects an emergency automatically and facilitates a response by alerting staff, raising the screens, lowering the bed, and displaying a recommended course of action on the end screen where it is clearly visible to approaching staff members. An essential component of patient care, intravenous pumps and fluids have been repositioned to the side of the bed, and the pumps now receive power through induction technology. Utility outlets have also been repositioned to the column, freeing up space behind the bed and allowing easier access to the patient's head in the event of an emergency. This concept represents a major step forward in providing integrated intensive care, and we hope it will drive a better workplace for healthcare professionals and a better outcome for patients.